hadin ke jingja sha thangkali halaim khra police station USPCT ka East Khasil district haka nyau tarik naitung arjar pulai uloong ba ka jingya kanat apdeng ar kanhun kibriu bat ka jingya nia halo ka ejhar kalong ka daw shakate ka jing thangkali uloong ba haka mit kan riu tarik naitung arjar pulai ar kanhun kibriu kiblaya ka ja haka ba ka wei ka kanhun kamut banle sha ba ke kul bat ka wei pat ka khanglanti bat kumta kalami ka jenia bat ka jingi ka takti da ka baya thu ba ka wei ka kanhun ka lale cha police station bat boot da ka ba ar uloong ba ka kanhun baningkong la ujor ya ka ejhar bat mar kumta ka kanhun ba ar kalawan bat persya ya ka ejhar pala mudui persya eki bat kani kalalam sya ka jenia hapo thanan uloong ba ka por ba ki pai ba kilas dang yelum la depen be ya ka jingbam ya sngo thu jingmut re ki la don pat ki ba thang ki kali uloong ba ka ji kanat ka de ha pedeng ki samla ki bade ki try muluk bat ki samla bar chela ki bala ya buat bat kani kala penlong ki pai ba bantur syak thanan halor ka jingla bendon ki lang ki seng balang uba vivek uloong ba ya kani ka benta ondang toket bat banrap bala de register mokodoma ya kani ka jingja bat ki kendon pensitom on sapengat ki badon kti
there was a scuffle between two groups of people actually, whereby one person wanted to go towards Bagyakul and the other had blocked the road. It led to an exchange of words. Later on, these people again met and again they exchanged words and led to a scuffle. One party rushed to the thana immediately. The other party also followed. So the other party had filed an FIR. By then, some people and some persons had come and were against the FIR being filed against the second party. So there was commotion in the thana, and in that commotion, more people came. Then, when a lot of people came and all out there, the matter was being sorted out and all. While the matter was being sorted out, the arson took place. Yes, one party is actually the non-locals and the other party is a local. Right now we've investigated the case, appropriate action will be taken. In fact, the parties who actually had that scuffle had, this probably had spilled over to the mob, and the mob at that time, 12:30, 1 o'clock, just took the law into their own hands.
A mob of how many people?
I think about 40, 50.
Were NGOs also involved in this incident?
Yeah, we're investigating that. Exchange of words. Both parties were actually inebriated.
There were also allegations that the officers in charge has refused to register.
That is not a fact. In fact, when the first party had filed the FIR, somebody had intervened for the second party that why you accepting the FIR when actually the first party which assaulted. The officer who was on duty had told the second party, you are free to file an FIR, a counter FIR. Nothing will preclude them from prevent them from filing an FIR. So it's not true, that thing.
Okay, who is the second party probably?
About 3 local gentlemen.
Okay, so the first FIR was being filed by the non-local party.
Yeah.
So what is the next course of action on this?
We're registering cases and appropriate action will be taken as per law. It was very unexpected because it was actually a very small issue between these two. It was like a drunken brawl, and when the mob came also, when a group of people had come, I mean, there was still negotiation, there was still dialogue happening and all that. So nobody expected that somebody would kind of torch the vehicle below and all. It must have been petrol bomb. Must have been petrol or petrol bomb. Yeah.
Hakaway pat kalyang uba vivek ulong baki bor pulet kin pin klan ye kajing pahara bat kajing pai ngor haki jaka babon pai ba kuma Khyndailad police point Polo bat Urkaliar bat benrap ru baki pulet kilas dang ban khanra gi kali ta yit yong bat pendait salensa ulong baki briu ki mi hakapon mit bat ki bale kam sniu ki don ki sticker haki kali jongki bat ki bapenyang kali harut srok damit ki dei ki daw kum kini ki kanan da ka bapen pau baka kam demet Khyndailad kalong ka daw jong ki kanan haki por bladem uba vivek ulong baki pulet kilas dang kajing khanrai ki badi kiat Hakapor banyak kali nakate ke jaka nolor ki weipat ki jaka ki badon kamban penking bha ulong ba ki pulet ki lapha jingtho saka deputy commissioner ban numsha aplimi palat iki dukan.
We had taken chalked out steps whereby we'll increase security around certain places where public used to converge, say like Khyndailad and Police Point and other places, and Polo. Also places like Urkaliar. We have actually started a joint checking of vehicles, drunken driving. And I think you've seen an order from the traffic branch also regarding stickers and all that. Usually these vehicles come out at night. People who indulge in all antisocial activities have these stickers, and these vehicles usually come out at night. Vehicles with silencers come out at night. People who binge at night on roadsides and all that, and which leads to altercation, also happens at night. You've seen in Khyndailad also there's a lot of prostitution and all that, and so we have chalked out a plan actually. And yesterday we started off with checking of drunken driving from Khyndailad, but unfortunately we had even planned for Police Point and the other places. Unfortunately this happened in Lamkra. Quite a number, but we'll first start focusing on these main junctions which actually have high footfall. Especially we've also written a request to the Deputy Commissioner that food stalls shouldn't open late at night beyond a certain point of time. So we have requested at least till 11 o'clock, and beyond that it should not be allowed.